In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI ChatGPT plugins, or more accurately, the tools and features that make ChatGPT even more powerful. If you want to search the web, upload files, analyze data, or work with images, this simple tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. This is perfect for beginners, creators, students, and anyone who wants to get more done faster with ChatGPT. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main chat screen, look for the plus icon or the tools area near the message box. This is where you can choose the feature you want to use. Depending on your account and what's available, you may see different options, but the main ones we're focusing on today are browsing, file upload, and advanced data analysis. If you want to search the web for the latest information, choose Browsing. This is the tool you'll use when you need current news, recent updates, or real-time research. Once browsing is selected, just type your prompt normally. For example, you could ask, "Search latest news and summarize," and ChatGPT will look up the information for you and give you a clear response. This is super useful when you want up-to-date answers instead of information based only on older training data. Next, if you want to work with documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, or other files, choose File Upload. This lets ChatGPT read the file you attach and help you understand, summarize, or extract information from it. To use it, click the plus button, upload your file, and then type your prompt. A great example would be, "Analyze this Excel file." You can also ask it to summarize a PDF, compare documents, or pull out important data from a report. This saves a huge amount of time because you don't have to manually read through everything yourself. Another powerful option is advanced data analysis. This is especially helpful if you want ChatGPT to work with numbers, charts, tables, or more complex files. After selecting this tool, simply ask your question in a natural way. For example, you can say, "Analyze this Excel file," and ChatGPT can help identify trends, sort data, create summaries, or explain what the numbers mean. This is one of the best tools for productivity because it turns ChatGPT into a mini assistant for data tasks. You can also use these tools with images, depending on your account features. If image editing or image understanding is available, just upload the image and ask something like, "Edit this image," or "Describe what's in this screenshot." The important thing to remember is that you usually do not need to write complicated commands. Just ask normally, like you would talk to a person. That's the easiest way to get useful results from ChatGPT. So the simple workflow is this. Open ChatGPT, click the plus button, select the tool you need, and then ask your question in plain language. Whether you are browsing the web, uploading a file, or analyzing data, ChatGPT can help you work faster and smarter in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy AI tutorials, software guides, and step-by-step tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.